What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, a slightly different video from the norm. Basically, for several reasons. Reason number one is we have two new players. We have got Dale and Reece, who I both work with. Massive warm welcome to them. You'll be able to tell Dale with his black and pink Scorpion Evo, and Reece because he has a bright blue M4 and he was dressed all in black. He looked like a ninja. You'll also see Keenan and Stuart in the video, who you've seen in previous videos. And, well, slightly different today, guys, because there's going to be no scope cam footage for two reasons. Number one, it got shot out in the first game. I will add a slight clip at the start, which you'll be able to see. And reason number two is I didn't actually put an SD card in it anyway, so even if it hadn't been shut out, it wouldn't have recorded because I left it in my PC at home. So guys, today's video is back at Fearmasters. We are in the village once again, playing Capture the Street. So whichever team had the most players in the street at the end of the game was the winner. You weren't allowed to hide in buildings to gain points. You had to be out in the street itself. So I'm going to stop talking now, guys, and enjoy the video.
Come on.
Can I go round down like further right?
Yeah, just watch right, watch right. Got him.
That one random ass BB? Oh, we know where they are. Yeah. Yeah, see one.
Where is he? Through window?
That just missed me. That was a headshot I was going for. He's right down at the bottom of the sniper.
Is he?
Yeah, we'll just yeeted the smoke. Right front.
Can you snipe him with that? Just watch your legs, mate.
Yeah, someone's still all the way up there.
I'm not in your way, Maurice.
No, no. I'm gonna wide for it.
Oh, run! I've never seen anybody run as fast in my life. Watch shed now, watch shed.
Don't just throw another grenade in there and just fuck it up.
You alright?
I'm behind the white container. Oh, hit! White container. Pushing up. Nice.
Got him.
Sure, you've got a main gun, why are you not using it? So when you get in the
Shot, mate. Thank you, Josh.
It's alright, that'll. Where is it?
About white containers. See him? You what?
Yeah.
We've got friendlies down here, so we're. Is he still behind container?
Yeah.
Which one?
Well, right.
Farthest right.
That's what I aimed, but apparently I
Right here, right here. You got him. He's tried, didn't he? Bless him.
Hold on, my band's off.
Got him.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh! Red man.
Nice shot, whoever that was. Stuart, come back down here when you can.
You're calling?
Watch out, there's one richer through here. Ah! I warned you.
Yeah. We're a flabby bit. Oh, that's a flabby bit.
There's a guy down barrels at back. Bent IBM's right at back. Just don't pop out, I think he's got a sniper. He's still looking, yeah, he's got a sniper. Trying to bait him. Further up the street. Just sneak up behind you. I think you're clear for a minute, mate. I don't think there's anybody there. Where are you, lads?
Alex, I hope you're in a stealth position. What's happened to the one to shoot?
Sorry, I didn't know you were dead. Sorry, my bad.
I'm just pushing middle now. I can see them all. Where are you, Keenan?
Yeah, we've got a guy that one out at right as well. Go, go, go. I'm gonna get used to that shit.
He gets you, doesn't it? He's like PTSD.
I don't count as a street technically.
Coming in here? The street.
See anyone down there?
Inside the shaft, no.
No, we've got friendlies in here.
So if you're on the gravel, that's a point. If you're in the building, no point.
Alright, we've got blues. Blues are alright.
All blue here.
I'm gonna say we're all alright.
All blue.
Blue.
Push right, push right, push right. Keenan, we're gonna push right. Oh, we're gonna push right.
We've got loads of lads already on there.
Yeah, they're around here. So since I've left, they've pushed up. See how much, Joe? Crazy bastard. Where's he in bushes or is he in this hut?
I saw bushes move, that's why I was shooting through.
Saw the bushes move. Shall I just want wind?
I thought we were in Vietnam, I saw bushes move.
Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker.
Over.
Yeah. He's still. Oh fuck!
Fucking hell. Bumper. Bumper.
Where are you, Keenan? Straight down, straight down.
Straight down, yeah.
Let me push right back over here and I'm gonna get him.
Bumper. Bumper, bumper.
shit.
Sees you.
What the fuck's going on here? Oh. Oh, I heard that. Straight on his fucking visor. I must have got him twice on his eggs.
I'm saving up. That means my fans are dead.
You got batteries for him?
It's not battery, it's a charger.
Oh, is it? What kind of charger?
I think it's micro B.
USB?
Yeah.
Charge him off mine at dinner.
I'm starting to steam up now.
Did you not charge him earlier?
No, that's
Push forward a bit. Yeah.
Fuck me! How many nades?
They're on the other side of the house. Got like 3 or 4.
From up there?
Get down there, see him coming, I've got a few. Come up and see where this fence here.
Yeah.
You see him and you see him coming through the building as well.
Oh yeah.
See what I mean?
Yeah. I see him there.
Away and they don't notice you.
Hmm.
Good spot, I think, in here. Fuck me, I can't see shit. Whoa. Is that you?
Mm-hmm.
Right, fucking right with that. Well, man.
Yeah.
That's like out of date ham sandwich, mate.
I see what you mean.
Alright, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the right spot, mate.
There's a guy in there, I can see him. Oh. Can't see anybody, lads. I think you're clear. Oh, coming up now, coming up, far side. That lass is down there, far side, right in distance. She's dead. Just watch your send, Dale. Come down there? Yeah, you can go down if you want.
IBT container with green grass on top of it, it's behind that one.
That's friendly down there, you alright, mate?
We'll drive through window.
Through window? Yeah, I'm watching. Oh, nice headshot.
Leo, are you halfway down the street? If you are, stop firing until it's at the end.
Anybody else, lads?
No, but. Hello? Yeah, go down the street.
Sound.
Clear left.
Well, on the back of the shed.
Is it clear to go down that side to look at them?
If you can, mate, yeah. I don't think we've got. There's nobody down there.
Behind the barrels.
Behind the barrels? Do you reckon you can get a nade there if I pass you one up?
Not really.
Anybody else in the street, lads? Plenty of blues in village if you two want to come in here.
And those containers in front. There's one. Yeah, good shot, man. Front containers.
You've got 3 of them coming that way.
This
3
way.
of them coming from that side.
3 of them coming apparently. Oh, that laundry got in the way. Damn it! Shit. Again, oh, sound.
Sorry, mate.
Somebody's shirt keeps getting in the way. Hey, got me on my finger. Dem. Keenan, where are you? I just got ricocheted. Good evening.
Good evening.
Is everybody okay?
Everybody's good. We've got a lot of people up that way. I'm covering this end.
I were up there and somebody came around here and a bloody pant leg got laundry, got fucking in way, didn't it?
Oh, that's Kevin. He's fast and he's good with his gun. Well, don't worry. He's been got out, so I was able to get back in here, and I've got this area covered.
Nice.
I've took out so many people from here. It's brilliant.
I got a load right inside.
What's down that way?
Blue.
Blue?
Yep. So stick your head out that way.
Alex, this is very blue.
Yeah, I was in there earlier.
Remember, guys, we have to be in the street to score a point, not in the building. Yep. Just remind everyone. Well, I can't quite do my job with you in the way, mate.
My bad.
It's okay, mate, because like literally, if I try to get anyone, I'll just hit you first. And so strange with this thing hurts. You get a perfect little triangle in your back.
Have I?
No, you would with this. It's like a
Oh.
cruiser. Like, it's a tricep.
I thought you meant now I'm going to say, like, what?
Oh, we've got people moving up.
Yeah, I've seen him.
Now, are they going to try and hook the wall, or are they going to try and sprint to the other side? Oh, we've got some minutes. We're going to have a suicide one, so be ready.
Yeah. Get ready. Come in.
Is the shotgun still?
Yeah, he's still here. Get ready.
Thank you.
We all good that? Yeah, we've got plenty that way, haven't we? Oh, airburst that, Jesus. The hatch ain't open, is it? They ain't open that hatch.
I took well. You get an extra one down this end.
No, right. Watch left, watch left. Hit it!
So basically guys, after that death, that was the end of the game for me, because by the time I got all the way back to respawn, the game had officially ended. However, we did end up winning the village, and that brought us to a draw of 1-1 per team. So guys, if you did enjoy the video, please give that thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down and let me know why in the comments. If you haven't already, give that subscribe button a massive slap, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.